Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So alright gardeners, as we're all out about shopping for our different seeds at this time of season before I get our garden started, just wanted to show you these here. This is Fairy Morris, and these are So Easy seeds. They are a pelleted type of seed. They're covered in a type of clay so that they can absorb water and germinate real easy. But the cool thing about these is being pelleted for some small types of seeds like lettuces. Now there are others that are, pretty decent sized seeds. Onions aren't too hard to sow, but lettuces and other varieties like brassicas and whatnot are small type of seeds. So you can make sure that they get really spaced out properly, and also make sure you're not wasting seed and having to thin out too much. So this is something you might want to give a shot this year in your garden. Try out some pelleted seed.